What's up guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install Hadoop on Ubuntu 18.10 system. So first of all, just create a new user account to install Hadoop. Just click on settings and unlock on the top right. Type in your password to just create a new user. Click on add user, then type in the name of the user. Select administrator, then click on add. Just switch to that user. So we have successfully switched to the Hadoop user. So first I'm going to update my system by typing sudo apt update. So it's going to list all the packages which are ready for update. After that, I'm going to type in sudo apt upgrade to install those packages. After that, I'm going to check my Java version because Hadoop requires Java to run. It is basically a Java based framework. So I'm going to type Java version. Here you can see that I already have a Java version 11.0.1 installed, which is the latest version. So if you don't have Java installed, you can type apt installed default jdk space -y. Java will be pre-installed in most of the Ubuntu systems, but if you don't have Java, you can type in the following commands and just install the latest Java for your system. After you've installed and configured Java, the next thing is to open Mozilla Firefox to finally download Hadoop. Open Mozilla and just type in download Hadoop. Just click on the first link. Here we are going to download the version 3.1.2. Just click on the binary download link over here. After that, you need to copy the HTTP link. Just copy this and type in wget in your terminal and just use Ctrl+Shift+V to paste inside the terminal. By the time it's downloading, I'm going to quickly show you how you can authenticate a download using SHA hash file. So just navigate to this link over here. Click on your version of installed Hadoop. Then click on the MDS file over here, Hadoop 3.1.2 MDS file. You can wget this link and use cat Hadoop 3.1.2 tar.gz.mds file to just verify your download, or you can directly just verify it using this file in your browser. Just type in sum-a 256 Hadoop 3.1.2 tar.gz. Then you can see the SHA key for your download. Just verify that this key matches the one which is shown in the website. This is basically done to verify whether if you have been redirected to a mirror link, that link was authenticated and you're downloading an authentic version of Hadoop in your system. So after we've done that, we can move on to the next step, which is extraction of the installed file. So for that, just type in tar xvzf -xvzf space Hadoop 3.1.2 tar.gz. This command is going to extract the installed package. After you've done this, just type in ls. As you can see, Hadoop 3.1.2 folder has been created. We have to move this folder to a user local Hadoop directory. So just type in mv space Hadoop hyphen 3.1.2 space slash user slash local slash Hadoop. Hit enter. As you can see, the directory has been moved successfully. We need to check the Java path to add to the Hadoop environment. So for that, just type in read link hyphen f slash user slash bin slash Java, then cd quotes s colon bin slash Java. As you can see, your JDK path is shown. Just copy this path using Control Shift C. Then we're going to use Nano, which is a terminal based text editor, to basically edit this following file. Just type in the following command. The Nano text editor will open. Just navigate to the just navigate to this position over here, export java underscore home equal to. So I've previously added these two lines into the Nano editor. For new users, you need to add these two lines. So for new users, basically it will be something like this. So just navigate to this position and add these two lines. Then use Control S to save it and Control X to exit the Nano text editor. After we've done that, we can finally just run Hadoop by typing user slash local slash Hadoop slash bin slash Hadoop. Hit enter. And if you can see all these parameters and options, and then Hadoop has been successfully installed in your system. You can also check the version of Hadoop. So for that, you have to type in the same command and just use version. Hit enter. As we can see that we have installed Hadoop 3.1.2 version over here. So if this is displayed, then you have successfully installed a single node Hadoop cluster in your Ubuntu system. So for verifying the Java program is running or not, we're gonna use the inbuilt program which is Hadoop examples program. So for that, I'm gonna quickly create an input directory for providing the input to that program. So just use the following commands to create the input directory. What we're doing by this is we are copying all the XML files from etc Hadoop directory. Just go to user, local Hadoop, etc and Hadoop again. So as you can see in this folder, all the XML files, we are copying all the XML files using the commands, and we are just taking them as the input. So all the XML files are copied to the input folder over here in a home directory. So as you can see, all the XML files have been copied. So after that, you need to type the following commands to check whether the string allowed is displayed in the XML files or not, or how many times the allowed has been displayed or not. This program has been compiled using Java and Hadoop. So as you can see, for displaying the output in the terminal, you just need to type in the following command, that is cat. Then just type the following command, because the output directory is grep hyphen example. So this basically shows that 21 occurrences of allowed with a period is there in the XML files, and one with only allowed. So thank you for watching.